Subtracting 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Regrouping from tens to ones. Let us subtract 387 from 492. Write the given numbers in columns as shown. Step 1. Subtract the ones. Since 2 is smaller than 7, we cannot subtract it. So, borrow 110 from the tens column. 110 plus 2 ones is equal to 12 ones. Now, 12 ones minus 7 ones is equal to 5 ones. Write 5 under the ones column. Step 2. Subtract the tens. After borrowing, we are left with 8 tens. So, 8 tens minus 8 tens is equal to 0 tens. Write 0 under the tens column. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds. 4 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is equal to 100. Write 1 under the hundreds column. Thus, 492 minus 387 is equal to 105.